Who here loves fall?
I do.
What's your favorite part of fall?
Pumpkins and the leaves.
Ooh, yes, these are so pretty. So today we're bringing it in with an It's Fall, y'all essential oil blend, which brings the aroma of fall into your home. For this amazing fall-inspired recipe, you'll need our new blend, Autumn Air. You'll also need Mandarin and Breathe Easy essential oil blend. Okay? To make this diffuser blend, all you need to do is drop 3 drops of Autumn Air, 2 drops of Mandarin, and 1 drop of Breathe Easy. And this is one of the favorite blends, diffuser blends around Simply Earth, I think, ever. Favorite.
Yeah, definitely.
So put it in your diffuser, turn it on, and breathe in and love it.
Smelling leaves.
If you want to make a master blend of this recipe, like this, take a 5 milliliter bottle from your big bonus box if you're a subscriber, and use 16 drops of Breathe Easy, 32 drops of Mandarin Essential Oil, and 50 drops of Autumn Air Essential Oil blend. Shake it up, mix it all together, and then you can just add a few drops to your diffuser so it's ready to go. I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists. We love teaching people how to use essential oils. So if you want to learn how to use essential oils and have it be super easy, make sure you check out our essential oil recipe box where you get 4 full-size essential oils, 6 recipes. This one is in our October box. So recipes just like this one created by aromatherapists so you can be sure they're safe.
Yep. And make sure you hit the subscribe now button.
Thanks for watching.
Later.
It's autumn!